there's a truck removing some snows, carrying some snows away. It's possible to allow the snow to melt on its own. See how they have been packed. And who knows, if it doesn't get warm, it will get thickened. And like this place is slippery now, everybody should be afraid. Okay, everybody should be afraid. See how this place is dirty. Everybody is moving, trying to be very careful. Everybody is trying to be very careful to avoid fall. Yeah, that's so. If it doesn't get warmed, this place will be frozen completely, and the people are about to fall. Or be more careful just to try and avoid falling. How it is. See how this place is. So everybody is being so careful. These people try to clean their own front page, but still risky. So see how this place is. See the other driver struggling to come out. So, in few days time we shall know. If it gets colder, then everywhere will be more risk for people walking and for people driving. If it gets warmer, then everything will get to normalcy. So that's it. Just trekking this morning. I didn't want to drive, just want to trek. It's cold, but not too cold. But I just want to see how the outside looks this morning. See how dirty this place is. See the vehicle there. Everybody's struggling to move. That's it. I see this man trying to clear some snow. Oh, this woman. Buenos dias.
Yeah.
You see how this place looks? See how this place looks? Everybody's so careful here. If you don't, you fall. Anyways. Okay. I have to go. And this is for clearing the snow too. For clearing the snow too. Okay, see this vehicle? Oh my God. Snow. You must be careful here to avoid fall. See how risky this place is. Very risky indeed. Oh my God. Nobody. This place was not cleared, so it's very risky for people. So whoever is walking should be more careful to avoid fall. It will become more risky when if the weather gets so cold, and then it will be frozen completely, and then it will be slippery, so slippery. These are snows. Snow. Yeah. This person tried to, he cleared his own with this salt. There are some industrial salt you can apply, then it can help in melting the snow. Okay, I think enough of it. Just to show you how it looks. But very soon everything will be cleared if the weather gets warm. But if it doesn't, then we shall endure this until it gets warm. This person cleared his or her own very well. You see how neat this one looks, and this area looks neat too. So this place you can fly, you can move faster. This place. This one is, however, risky, but not as risky as the other ones, because at least they tried. So some people do try to clear the pathways, but some people are somehow lazy to do that, or it's not, maybe nobody lives in that place, or the person is not around. This person, at least they try to create a little pathway for people to pass. So that's how it is. Hola, ¿cómo estás? This person going out for walk with her dog. This person here. So this is how it is. This is how it is. This place, yeah, the salt was poured and it's melting. So we can pass this place because we cleared and used salt. So let's see the salt. So it is melting gradually so that we can move. Slow. The train has just passed. Yeah. So my dear friends, have a nice day. God bless you. Remember, we shall try to be as white as snow. That should be our target. To be as white as snow. God bless you. I see my friend coming up again. That place is clear. God bless you all.